Welcome back to Tattoo 18. In today's video, we are exploring star tattoos, their meanings, popular styles, perfect placements, and why they remain one of the most timeless tattoo choices. If you're planning your next tattoo or just love tattoo art, this video is for you. Let's begin. Star tattoos symbolize hope, guidance, ambition, and destiny. For many people, stars represent a light in the darkness, a reminder to keep moving forward even during difficult times. A single star often stands for personal goals, success, or self-belief. It can represent a milestone achieved or a dream yet to be fulfilled. Multiple stars may symbolize family, important people in life, or life journeys. Some choose star tattoos to remember loved ones, while others see them as a symbol of protection. Stars are also deeply connected to freedom and spirituality. They remind us that no matter how dark the night becomes, there is always light above. Let's take a look at the most popular star tattoo designs. Nautical star tattoos are among the most classic styles. They were originally used by sailors as a symbol of direction and safe travel. Today they represent finding your way in life. Shooting star tattoos symbolize dreams, wishes, and moments that change your life. They are perfect for people who believe in destiny and new beginnings. Five-pointed stars are the most common and versatile designs. They often stand for balance, strength, and protection. Tribal star tattoos feature bold lines and powerful shapes. These designs symbolize inner strength, courage, and cultural identity. Minimalist star tattoos are simple, clean, and modern. Perfect for first-time tattoo lovers who want something subtle but meaningful. Geometric and 3D star tattoos add depth and creativity. These styles are trending among tattoo enthusiasts who want a modern and artistic look. Placement plays a huge role in the overall impact of a star tattoo. Wrist and forearm placements are popular for small and medium designs. They keep the tattoo visible and personal. Neck and behind the ear placements give a bold yet elegant appearance. These areas are perfect for minimalist star tattoos. Shoulder and upper arm placements allow more detail and creativity, ideal for tribal or multiple star designs. Chest and collarbone placements are deeply personal and symbolic. Many people choose stars here to represent guidance close to the heart. Ankle and foot star tattoos look stylish and discreet, especially for minimalist designs. Star tattoos are completely unisex, making them perfect for everyone. For men, bold stars, nautical stars, and tribal designs are very popular. They often symbolize strength, ambition, and life direction. For women, minimalist stars, shooting stars, and fine line designs are trending. They represent dreams, freedom, and personal growth. Many couples also choose matching star tattoos to symbolize unity and shared goals. Star tattoos are more than just beautiful designs. They tell stories of hope, guidance, dreams, and inner strength. Whether you choose a small minimalist star or a detailed artistic piece, your star tattoo will always remind you to shine, no matter how dark the night gets. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tattoo 18 for more tattoo meanings, design ideas, and tattoo inspiration. Comment below and tell us, which star tattoo design would you choose? See you in the next video.